Welcome to the presentation on IDFC First Bank Limited, a dynamic financial institution making waves in the banking sector. This report is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The writer is not a SEBI-registered advisor and holds no responsibility for any investment decisions or losses. Readers should do their own research or consult a financial advisor before trading. IDFC First Bank is a result of the merger between IDFC Bank and erstwhile Capital First, marking a significant transformation from a corporate-focused lender to a retail banking powerhouse. With a vast network of branches and ATMs, the bank is poised for growth. The bank offers a full suite of banking products, catering to diverse financial needs. From corporate lending to retail solutions, IDFC First Bank provides a comprehensive range of services to its customers. The bank's key financial ratios indicate a stable performance, with improvements in banking ratios. Additionally, the bank has expanded its network significantly, reaching more customers across India. IDFC First Bank's loan book is diverse, with a focus on retail mortgage-backed loans and a reduction in microfinance exposure. This strategic mix supports the bank's growth and risk management objectives. The bank's deposit base is primarily retail, with a strategic focus on reducing high-cost borrowings. This approach ensures a stable funding base and supports the bank's financial health. IDFC First Bank is making strides in private wealth management, with significant growth in assets under management. This expansion reflects the bank's commitment to providing tailored financial solutions to its clients. The bank's digital capabilities are top-notch, with a highly rated mobile app and a strong presence in the digital banking space. This focus on technology enhances customer experience and operational efficiency. In 2025, the bank successfully raised capital through the issuance of CCPS, strengthening its financial position. The shareholding structure reflects a balanced mix of promoters, institutions, and public investors. For more detailed information, please refer to the listed sources. Remember, this presentation is for educational purposes, and we advise conducting your own research before making any financial decisions.